Hey guys, got some bad news, but don't feel bad for me at all. 3 days ago, I took delivery of a Ferrari, and thank God for like those 3-day try before you buy. It wasn't a good car, man. I had it for 3 days, and some issues already started coming up, and some of the workmanship was terrible for the kind of money that you're gonna pay. That's ridiculous. So, I'm gonna try this one. All right, this is the BMW i8. Now we have the i3. This is the i8. Maddie, let's open the door. Can you open the door, Maddie? This is a hybrid car. And it's got butterfly doors. Check out the styling. Okay, so part two. The Ferrari, you're looking at 150,000. That's what they were asking for. This one is half that. Actually, even lower than that. Right? And it's a hybrid. It's got an electric motor in the front, gas in the back. And one thing is that it's a lot cheaper, man. And I really think looks a lot better. Sure, the Ferrari has its Ferrari heritage and stuff like that, but I showed you guys, well, you guys didn't see, some of the interior stuff is just terrible inside that Ferrari. A lot of stuff Ferrari, like braking and stuff. This looks brand new. So, I really need to go to some car AA. Alright, so we're in the i8. Let me put the windows up. So this is what you see when you're driving. Look at that. We got the heads-up display going. It's pretty cool and compact, but yet roomy. And by having an i3, everything seemed to be very... it's like I know what to do. With the iDrive system and all the stuff. It is a hybrid car right now. I think I'm rolling at averaging like 60 miles per gallon. So that's pretty cool. And then you have of course, your electric battery on the bottom right in blue, and the petrol or the gas on the orange color. And when you let off on the accelerator, just like any old hybrid, it's charging the battery. The only difference with this car, I think the battery is a lot bigger compared to other hybrids. Because you can go on pure electric for 20 miles. It may not seem a lot, but when it works in tandem with the combustion engine, it makes sense, right? So you get the best of both worlds, actually. That's why I decided to buy Madison the i3. Now this is just the cooler brother to the more they're like twins, right? This twin got all the cool, and well, the other one got the cool factor too, but this one just got like the exotic factor. The other one's got the cool factor, the i3. This one has the doors that go up, that butterflies up. So, and this one sits 4 people as well. Well, 4 really tiny people. You can't fit a basketball player back there, so. But, it's really cool. I think we really like this because the Ferrari's, god dang, man, don't get me wrong. Ferrari's an amazing car, but if you just saw a lot of the things that was in that car, and it's a common problem with Ferraris, that like the knobs are like all sticky and it looks like it's been beat up already. Man, that's just not kind of cool for the kind of price that you're paying for that car. And these cars, since Americans haven't really taken into the the electric thing, and I mean now it's taken off with Tesla, of course, but the depreciation is insane, and this car can be had for a lot cheaper, man. It's really awesome. So it's a no-brainer for me and my family, and here we can all be in it, unlike the Ferrari that you can only sit 2 people. So that's your difference. But I do like the Ferrari is an awesome car, but for the price that you're gonna pay, and the maintenance that you're gonna be taken care of, I mean, if you can't afford getting that thing fixed, if something bad happens, man, don't get it. It's just not worth it, right? It's just not worth it. And the Alfa Romeo, man, amazing. Anyways, I'm not gonna put a plug in for the Alfa because we're here for the i8. So right now it's gonna take off in electric, and the gas engine just turned on because I have it. You can hold the state of charge of the battery. So I'm holding mine at a 75%. So right now we're running off the combustion engine. And then when I start coasting, the combustion shuts off and the gas takes over. So it's a really smart system. And the heads-up display, when I get a call coming in, it will alert me on there. So pretty cool stuff. Pretty cool stuff. Anyways, just a quick update here on the i8, the BMW i8.